So I'm here with Alex, and we have really good sound now. Say hi, Alex.
Hi, Alex.
There we go. I hope that sounded really good because it took time for that sound. I'm going to try to set up my account and hopefully not expose too much of my own security.
Well, you will expose.
How
Like
I
I
will
said,
expose
signed up.
this? Okay.
Signed up. That said, I think I know how to set up a test account
Got it. Hold on. Try this
that
one.
anybody can use.
Really? Is there? Okay. Save. All right. I don't. It doesn't show it. Where does it? Okay. Let me move this over. I'll move this over. Okay, and then access. Well, that still showed it.
I told you it will show it.
Oh, fine. I'll have to edit that out. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, you'll have to edit it now.
No, I have to say
And I'll have to fix it before we let other people in.
Now, do I remember the password I just logged in? And I want to know Nocito and NKZ worked on a lot of this. So this is like everybody's worked on this part of the code. Except for me. I'm gonna I didn't do any of the part of the code here. Okay. Okay, let's see. So now I gotta remember my darn password here. I think that's it. Oh my god, I already forgot my password.
Sounds like a typical user.
Oh shit, oh shit. Oh my god. It was so super simple. Okay, hold on, let's see. Holy crap. Holy crap. Hold on. Oh my god. What time is it? I think I might have to go to work soon.
Yeah, so you will have to redo that one. Let's play the game for a few minutes. You can just press the play button.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now you have to remember your password. Good luck.
What?
What, you think I'm gonna let you in just like that?
You are terrible. Oh jeez. Okay. I hope that's what Hey, is the username case sensitive?
Yes, as well as the password. I think it
Oh
should be.
no. Oh wait. Okay. I might hold on.
Yeah. In the meantime, I'll create a test account. I'm trying to do that right as we speak. So like this is DevOps.
At least we know our security is
I
good.
have to DevOps. This is a new form of DevOps pressure. DevOpsing live while somebody is making a video.
Oh my god. I think this is great content. This is great. Just this is just.
Luckily, this is less pressure than some.
You know what? I
Management.
talked to NKC about this. I think that we should have these things like this. You know, I don't want to be like super polished where we're not human beings doing stupid human stuff.
Okay.
Oh god. Oh jeez. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. I got this. I got this. All right. I hit the join button, but that is not my password. Is it loading something? Oh my god, it loaded! I did get. Hey, my password works, but on the login, it was saying that it was the wrong password. Good fashion. Okay, I think.
Maybe.
Maybe because I could be messing you
Maybe
up.
the login is still broken. I don't know.
Oh my, why are there so many? All right.
Okay, so there is a small problem. Oh no, I'm there. Oh.
There's like two of you here.
Well, actually, that one is the. So that one, the one closer to you when you spawned, is the character that loads when you play offline.
Oh, okay. Cool, cool, cool. So jump or
Okay, and
something.
I actually exist. Oh,
Ooh,
okay.
you
Let's
exist.
see.
You're a real person.
Yeah. Yeah, look at me, mama. I'm jumping.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow. And even the animations and everything kind of looks amazing.
This is really cool. I can't get my jump though on because like
Well, yeah, I made that intentionally hard to annoy noobs. Okay, watch me. Watch me jump now.
I can't even get up on the thing. Hold on. Let me get the power up. I can't watch you because I'm using my thing. You're really flying. Oh my god, you're like a squirrel. You're like a flying squirrel. Oh, I can't keep up with you. As I gotta try to catch up to him. You've been playing this game too much, man. You're like way too good at your own game.
Well, luckily, for some reason, I like jumping.
Oh no! Oh, the frame rate's great too. For me, like I can like on seeing you.
Yeah, even for me, you have 500. I have 50.
No, actually, I'm down to 300 right now. 300. Oh, sorry, 419.
Yeah, the city.
What's your frame rate?
44, between 40 to 60, depends on where I look.
40 to 60. Okay, all right. I'm trying to jump. I'm trying to get you in my camera view. Oh.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
Let's see what happens when we kick each other. I mean,
oh, hit each
other.
Nothing. There's no collision on the player. Is there collision on the player?
There should. Yes, I'm
hey,
pretty
okay,
sure.
Jump on me. Land. Ah! No, look. Is there?
Yeah, I'm kind of.
Oh,
I'm kind of
cool,
push.
because we could have push mechanics. Try to push me.
Well, not really.
Oh, okay.
But am I pushing you actually?
Well, push again. Try to push me.
But it's kind of happening on both on my client and on your client.
Okay.
Give it
a push.
I have to push you with my body.
Oh my god, you are pushing me.
Client.
Yes. Yeah. This is great.
Yeah, but it's really hard because it's kind of. I don't have any inertia on your client, so it's the physics engine that just pushes the characters out.
No. But hear me out though. This is great because like when we do the contests and stuff, we can actually have like that could be like a thing, right? You're like, I'm about ready to win, and then someone pushes you a little bit. And you fall.
You want to do. Oh, I shouldn't mention the name of the game.
No, I want to do a guys. Let's call it the guys.
Yeah, guys.
I want to do a guys. Okay.
Yeah, squirrel guys. Yeah.
Girl guys, that's right. One could say I want guys to fall. Well, because you know what I mean. Like, imagine you're doing these tournaments that we're setting up. I'm talking to people potentially new partners for like tournament setups, and it would be great to like imagine you're about ready to win, and then someone pushes you right at the last second, just like an inch, and you fly off like the obstacle. You get what I'm saying? And then someone says, "You pushed me," and then the other person says, "It's supported in the game." Like, you know what I mean? Like right at the very end, I'm gonna win, and so someone pushes, no, and it's like, so yeah, of course I want to create that. What we're gonna do is that we are going to put I'm gonna put this on YouTube. This video is getting way too long, but yeah, there you go. You can see me and me terribly do this jumper. I'm just gonna walk up to him to see him bouncing. We are going to do more of these vlog videos. Again, I talked to NKZ about it. He's okay with them being a little unscripted. I just have to edit out things for security or terrible taste. Alex said my last joke was too soon. And remember these are three things. Number one, be kind to others. Number two, of course, live. You gotta be alive. No matter how bad it is, you should try to live because you never know what tomorrow is gonna bring. And of course, the last thing is he's trying to fall on me. Oh! Always look for opportunities, and we're hoping that this game will at least be an opportunity for fun. do your own research. I don't know, a bunch of disclaimers. I'll see you on the next one. Alex, you want to say anything before you go? Before we go?
Nope.
There's going,
See ya.
yes.